Happy 60th birthday, Herman. Sana ang Panginoon ang magbibigay sa iyo ng kalakasan sa iyong pananampalataya. At sana ang iyong vision tungkol sa iyong pamilya at lalong-lalo na iyong paglilingkod sa Panginoon. At yung 365 days talagang ibibigay sa iyo ng Panginoon ng biyaya at sana gamitin mo para sa Panginoon upang ikaw ang gamitin ng Diyos na mag-preach ng salita ng Diyos sa mga kaluluwa, lalo na ng iyong mga kaibigan, upang may sama natin sila sa karihan ng Diyos. Kaya happy birthday, Herman. More health, more power, more vision. God bless you.
Next. Hello, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lolo. Hello, Brother Herman. Happy birthday sa iyo. May the Lord give you more birthdays to come, and may the Lord give you more blessings, more health, and whatever the desire of your heart, may the Lord give you. And sa lahat ng bagay na hinihingi mo sa Panginoon, at whatever plans and whatever desire of your heart, God knows, and may the Lord give you whatever the desire of your heart. And also, thank you very much sa lahat ng bagay na mga prayers niyo sa amin. At natalangin namin sa Panginoon, sana ikaw at sa lahat ng pamilya, sana the Lord will bless you all. Happy birthday and God bless you.
Hi, Ro! Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday! And it says to sa Bible, commit to the Lord whatever you do and your plans will succeed. And alam ko po na marami po tayong desire, and the Lord will give it as long as we delight ourselves. It's been a long time na hindi po tayo nagkasama-sama, and itong simpleng message po namin sa video, and we hope na this video will make you happy, and ayun po, happy birthday, and more birthdays to come. Ayun po. Happy birthday to you. God bless.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lolo.
Uncle, happy birthday. Alam ko, marami ka ng blessing na na-receive sa Panginoon. Yung age nyo, yan na po yung haba-haba ng panahon na kabutihan sa ginawa ng Panginoon sa inyo. We're so happy. We're so blessed to have you, and we thank God dahil this year, harating na naman yung time na celebrate ang birthday nyo. So, Uncle, happy birthday. Let's always trust in the Lord with all our hearts. In our own understanding, in all your ways, just acknowledge Him, and He will direct your path straight. Happy birthday po, Uncle. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. Napakabuti niyo po sa amin. And God will always bless you. And more blessings, more birthdays to come.
Herman,
Happy birthday, Uncle. Senior citizen nakapala. Ano pala ngayon? Ibang level na. Mataas na level ang senior citizen. Kaya tinitingnan dito yung age ng isang tao. That's a blessing from the Lord. Diba sasabihin ko? Sa ngayon, ang naalala ko sa birthday niyo, naalala ko talaga magkaparehas tayo ng birthday. Hindi ko si Lovejoy, October 9 din. It's a blessing to have you in our family. Blessing sa aming pamilya, blessing po kayo. And thank you. At ipagpatuloy niyo yung kabutihan na ginagawa niyo. And my prayer na lahat ng mga susunod pang mangyayari sa buhay niyo, this year mag-uumpisa yung mga perfect will ng Panginoon, abundant blessings niya, at lahat ng mga bagay na hindi nakanais-nais, hinto na. At yung kagustuhan lang ng Diyos ang mangyayari. And as my sister said a while ago, commit to the Lord whatever you do, and your plans will succeed. God bless. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Uncle. Si Tano.
Lahat na ako.
Punta po kami na happy birthday.
No.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.